Welcome to the Sharefile Instructions for Faculty tutorial. The first thing you will need to do is check your Outlook email to receive and review an email from Sharefile with login instructions. Once you receive the email, you're ready to log into Sharefile. After logging into Sharefile, you can choose to change your password. From the top of the home page, select My Settings, and then click Change Password from the left sidebar. You can also find helpful video tutorials by clicking the Help button at the top right of the page. Now let's go over how to find curriculum review materials. My account page may look a little different than yours. However, from the home page, you should see a list of folders. There will be a folder for each course you have developed, as well as a folder called Curriculum Review Documents. Let's enter the Curriculum Review Documents folder now. Currently, there are 3 documents in this folder. The Curriculum Review Rubric, which you are encouraged to become familiar with in order to know what the third-party reviewer is using to provide feedback on your course, and also a color and black and white version of the Get It NH Curriculum Review workflow. This chart will help us ensure we meet all the necessary steps in order to complete our third-party curriculum review requirements. Eventually, there will also be a curriculum review tracking doc in this folder. The curriculum review tracking doc is a resource maintained by our third-party reviewer and will be useful for us to identify which courses have been reviewed. Now let's talk about adding materials for review. Our third-party evaluator will access the Course Sharefile folder to retrieve materials subject to the curriculum review. Materials that are subject to review are those that were originally created by NHTI course designers and staff for the Get It NH project. We cannot review anything we did not originally create, so please exclude any copyrighted content. After logging into Sharefile, enter the course folder for which you have materials to add. You will see 6 subfolders. You can click on the little post-it note to the right of each folder to read a description and some tips on what you will need to add to that folder. Enter a subfolder to begin adding content. Please make sure that all the content you include is in an editable format, and also make use of the Get It NH templates with the disclaimer and copyright statements, the Get It NH project statement, and the DOL disclaimer statement. To add files, you can select Upload Files from the upper right or select Browse Files from the middle of the screen. I'm going to select Upload Files and then Browse Files. I will search for the files I want to add, and then if I wanted to add more files now, I can click the Add More and continue with adding files to the subfolder. Once I have all the files on the list that I would like to add, I'll select Upload, and the files are there. Please note that the amount of time it will take to upload your files depends on your bandwidth and internet connection. Well, that's about it for logging into Sharefile and uploading files. If you have any questions, please email me.